This is part of a series of motivational videos to enhance your ability to manifest desired outcomes and empower your subconscious mind for personal growth using neurographic art. By consciously inserting these positive intentions into your neurographic art creation process, you will unlock the potential to establish a profound connection with your subconscious mind. This connection serves as a powerful tool for nurturing personal growth and facilitating the manifestation of your desired outcomes. Through this deliberate integration of positive intentions, you will tap into the innate power of your subconscious mind, allowing it to align with your aspirations and pave the way for transformative personal development. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Steve Jobs. In these profound words spoken by the late Steve Jobs, he imparts a timeless message about the importance of embracing our own unique path in life. With limited time on this earth, it is crucial not to waste it living according to the expectations and desires of others. Instead, Jobs encourages us to break free from the shackles of societal norms and dogma and to follow our own inner voice and intuition. Living someone else's life can be a result of succumbing to external pressures, whether they come from family, peers, or society at large. However, true fulfillment and happiness lie in discovering and living our own truth. Jobs reminds us that we should not allow the noise of other people's opinions to drown out our own inner voice. Society may try to dictate our choices and decisions, but it is essential to have the courage to listen to our hearts and intuition. Our heart and intuition serve as powerful guides, leading us towards the path that aligns with our authentic selves. They have a way of knowing what truly resonates with our deepest desires and aspirations. By trusting our own inner voice, we can tap into our passions, talents, and dreams. When we follow our hearts, we embark on a journey that is uniquely our own, free from the limitations and expectations imposed by others. The pursuit of external markers of success, such as wealth or fame, may pale in comparison to the fulfillment we experience when we live in alignment with our true selves. Jobs reminds us that everything else is secondary to the pursuit of our genuine desires and aspirations. Material possessions and societal accolades may fade, but the sense of purpose and contentment derived from living our own truth endures. In essence, Steve Jobs' words serve as a powerful reminder to cherish the limited time we have and to live with authenticity and courage. By embracing our individuality, tuning out the noise of external opinions, and following our hearts, we can uncover our true purpose and find lasting fulfillment. So, let us not waste a precious moment, but rather have the courage to forge our own unique path in life.